How to draw a beep, step by step. Hey, learn how to draw hub crew. So for the first step of drawing beep today, we're going to begin by making one line along with one big U-like shape right above it. Fantastic! Now right below, we're going to begin to make two circles along with two rectangles connected to the body. This will help make the legs. Now we'll make one small line on each leg to add a little bit of detail. Great job learning how to draw hub crew. Next up on the right side of the body, we're going to begin to make the first arm as well as claw for beep. Nice job, doesn't that look cool? Now on the left side, we're going to do the same thing that we just did on the right. Each claw looks similar to a rainbow. Now in the center of the body, we're going to begin to make one big rectangular-like shape. Right above that shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make one big U-like smile. Now right above that U-like shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make two circles. These will be the eyes of Beep. Inside for the pupils, they will look similar to Pac-Man. Now last but not least, right above the head, we're going to begin to add in the eyebrows. This is how to draw a beep. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you liked the video today, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to the Learn How to Draw Hub YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go ahead and color our drawing together.